when you remove a gene from one particular microorganism and try to put it in another, you begin to raise a lot of ethical questions. And those ethical questions relate from the basic fundamentals of religion. For instance, if you're a Muslim and you don't take pork, and a gene material from a pig animal was taken and put into a particular crop, that really raises serious ethical questions that we should really address. And more so now, we've been informed also that it's possible to take a human gene and transfer it into animals, and we've seen that already working. And that also raises some very, very serious ethical questions. So the question is, we are going in this technocratic world. If we keep crisscrossing genes through manipulation, what's going to happen? Is there really going to be a total human person as we know now? Or is that person going to be a composite of different plants and animals? And that really then raises what is really a human being? And does that being, therefore, has anything to do with what we perceive as life hereafter, immortality? Will that person have a spirit? Will it have a soul? What's the relationship of that person to God? And those are very, very serious ethical questions that we should review, because I believe that this planet, the way it was made, it has more than enough food to feed the whole population. And I think man is beginning to play God, and that's questionable, because if you look at the world as one big macrocosm, really, and that man is only a very small part of it, his manipulation of his environment is definitely going to have very serious consequences that we should think about and start reviewing before we indulge ourselves in this area.